Hey, in this video, we're going to show you how to create a Shopify admin API access token. So let's take a look. You go to a Shopify store, your Shopify store. First of all, the store name, the shop name or store name is pretty simple. This is a new account, so it's just this, but most likely if this would be some combination of your company name. So for example, if we added our custom domain, branded it, it would say Breakout-Content. Anyway, copy this, your shop name here. The blog name usually is just news by default unless you've named it something else. And then to actually create this Shopify admin API access token, if you're doing it for the first time, go to apps and then app and sales channel settings, and then do developer apps and then allow custom app development. This doesn't actually do anything. It just allows you to create your own apps with our assistance. Hit allow. And then you create an app and name it whatever you want, say Breakout Content, and then hit create app. And you won't have to do that process again after the first time, but then do this, configure admin API scopes. And this is important because if you just search for blog, you can control exactly what we'll have access to. Obviously, it's only for blog writing, so just write and read content for your blog. That's all you need, and this way you have absolute control. After that, it's quite straightforward. Hit install app, and then hit install. This will create an actual API key for you. So hit reveal token once. You should save this somewhere. Hit copy, and then just enter the API access token here. Hit save. And there you go. Anytime you go back to your chat, you go back to settings, go to integrations, you'll be able to find it again saved. And now you'll be able to push articles directly to Shopify. So when you go to your chat, use WhatsApp or Discord or even our web app here. You just type push to Shopify. Make sure you say something along the lines of publish to Shopify or push to Shopify so it knows you want to push to this integration specifically. We hope you found this helpful. My name is Chris at Breakout Content, and we hope to hear from you. Any questions, please leave them below on YouTube or send us an email, team@breakoutcontent.com. We hope to hear from you. Thank you so much.